In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Ethereum staking or how you can stake Ethereum on KuCoin. So this way you will be generating passive income of your Ethereums. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form, and this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account, but if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. So firstly, you will need to obviously have Ethereum in your KuCoin wallet, and then go to earn and then staking. Now right here we can scroll down and search for Ethereum right here, and we should find these staking options available for this coin. Firstly, you can see the reference APY or APR for this coin, so this means you will be getting this percentage of your staked Ethereum. Then you can see it's flexible, which means you can withdraw the money whenever you want, and the redemption period of 5 days, which is basically like a waiting period. If you want to, you can just subscribe and then put in the amount of Ethereum you want to stake, and you will see the estimated daily earnings right here, and if you agree you can just click subscribe right here. So that's it. After that you will be generating passive Ethereum until you withdraw your coins. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.